Hello students, what if I ask you what are the different kinds of verbs? What if I ask you mention all the different kinds of verbs that you have studied so far? And what if I answer your answer only that you might be confused that whether forms of verbs are transitive, intransitive, whether forms of verbs are finite or non-finite, whether forms of verbs are main verb or auxiliary verb. So all these question arises whenever we want to go through the types of verbs or the kinds of verbs, and I bet you the whoever is watching this video is not going to answer properly that how many kinds of verbs are there. So in today's class I will make you to have the glance of the different kinds of verbs, though in this is only the introduction section of the kinds of verbs. Many of you might be very familiar with the different kinds of verbs, but in today's class I will make you aware what are different kinds of verbs in a clear way, so that after this you are not going to have any mistake or any confusion. So I have written here verbs, and I have already mentioned the chart of the kinds of verbs. So here we are having verbs and its kinds. Now you might see that I have written many kinds of verbs here. We are going to study step by step that what are the different kinds of verbs. Furthermore, each verb whatever you are seeing in front of your screen here on the page, it has many qualifications, it has many classifications. So we will study it one by one, but in today's class we are going to have the introduction of the kinds of verbs. So mainly the verb roots out in two types, that is the main verbs and helping verbs. So main verbs and helping verbs are the two kinds of verb where first it roots out to give many branches. Main verbs are further classified into finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Here what do you mean by main verbs? By saying main verb, I refer to the verbs that you already know. For example, the verbs like eat, the verbs like sleep, they are called main verb. And these verbs are also classified in two ways, finite and non-finite. Once the verb is used in a finite way, there is another case to use the same verb in the non-finite ways. So this verb that you know as a main verb that you have been introduced in the very early classes, that what are the verbs, are classified in two types, that is finite and non-finite. Now finite verbs are also classified here in two types, that is transitive and intransitive. Now in the coming days, the one more classifications also comes under transitive, intransitive, that is verb of incomplete prediction. Verbs of incomplete prediction are also mentioned here, but rudely we need not mention verb of incomplete prediction here. Mainly transitive and intransitive are the two forms of finite verb. In non-finite verbs, we have infinitive, gerunds and participles. And it means that this eat and sleep can be used in other ways also, where the same like word eat and sleep will be treated as infinitive, one will be treated as gerund, another way it can be treated as participles as well. Now to the other kind of verb, if we come to know, that is the helping verb, it is also called the auxiliaries. So auxiliary is the main name of this verb auxiliary. So auxiliary verbs are also classified, helping verbs are also classified in two ways, that is primary auxiliary as well as modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary means there are some helping verb which are primarily considered to be very, very important in our English grammar, that are also falling under the three categories, that is do verbs, be verbs and have verbs. And you might be very familiar with the modal auxiliary such as can, could, may, might. So it also acts as helping verb. Now many of you might be knowing that what are the primary auxiliaries, what are the modal auxiliaries, or what are the main verb or helping verb, but I'm damn sure that this particular chart of verbs will make your sense completely clear of the different kinds of verbs. So verbs are firstly classified in main verbs and helping verb, and then further more classifications are here. In the coming lectures we'll come to know about the different kinds of verbs one by one. Thank you.